basically after you can use your excess oil after you finish with an oil change. The excess oil that came from the engine, you can actually use it to clean your tires. Okay. So what I'm gonna do with this way, I'm gonna go ahead and clean the tires. Then I'm gonna apply the excess oil on the tire. Do not apply it on the rim. Apply it exactly on the tire. Okay? Take the dirt off the tire itself. As you're doing that, you can actually clean your rims because you're not going to apply oil on the rims, but you're just going to apply it on the tires. So as I'm doing that, I can clean the rims a little bit. So now, your tires is clean. So you're just going to get oil that you put in here. I didn't ask for all that, but we can go ahead and clean that up. Now, what you're gonna do is you're gonna apply that on the tire itself. Try to make sure you don't apply it on the rims. You can still go ahead and apply it on the tire itself. You can actually, don't worry about getting on the rim, but you can go ahead and clean it up. And what you want to apply it real good. Okay. You want to saturate it on the tire real good. I'm trying to hold this camera with one hand while I'm doing that. So basically, this is what you end up with after you apply the oil on your tires. And you make sure you clean. If you have any oil on your rims, go ahead and clean it up. Okay. And even though I have a little bit of oil on the groove right here, but make sure you don't get it on the groove. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe that. Make sure your limit is right here, outside the groove, okay? Because you don't want, while you're driving, you know how oil can be very slippery. So, trying your best not to have oil on the groove itself. Just trying to stop it right there in that groove, go all the way around. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean that up. So after you do that, and make sure you let it sit for about two hours and up. Okay? Make sure you let the vehicle, don't just put the oil on your tire and then start driving. Don't do that. Okay? So I'm gonna say it again. I don't recommend you do that. Okay? Because you want the oil to dry. Because you don't want the oil to be, you don't want the oil to be fresh as you just put it in. Because as you're driving, it might drip and get on the groove, and then, things happen. So you want it to let it sit for about 2 hours and more. Make sure the oil dry. And this is how your tire is gonna look like. Pretty and shine. And believe you me, your tires will look black, stay black for a few days or a couple days, probably a week. It depends of your driving condition. Or if you're living on a dirt road, it might not last you not even a day. But if you drive on a normal road, clean road, yes, it will last you from a couple days to a few days to a week. And of course, your tires gonna stay black and stay shine. So if you don't have money to spend buying those tire shine thing, whatever name they call them, for $5, $6, $10 something dollars, because those things are getting very expensive, you can actually reuse your old oil after you change your oil to do that. And you can do all your tires with it. And I'm gonna finish the rest of my 3 tires, and that's what I do. If you like this video, if this video helped you save money, give me a thumbs up, subscribe.